Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then we'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the right side, then start. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should press up or down volume button and then click here on these three dots. After that we can see here the ring volume panel, and just to unmute our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the right side, this out by the same way, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.